Hello, scientists and engineers, and welcome to your almost last edition of Learning with Lewis for Remote Learning 2020. Today, we're going to go over the assignments for this week. As you know, your teachers are working hard to get your classrooms ready for you to come back on school on Monday. The assignments listed and reviewed will be what you are doing when we cannot meet for class and flex time. Now, let's have a moment of science. To begin, all your responsibilities are listed underneath September 16th, 2020. These are listed in order 1 through 5, and I suggest you try to follow this order. I am going to start with vocabulary terms. Here, you definitely have to read the instructions. You're going to use the words listed on slide 32. You are not to copy and paste anything to submit to me because these vocabulary terms go into your spiral notebook. To get your vocabulary terms, you need to go to the Digital Evidence Journal, slide 32. You have to wait for the Update button to populate. Once you press Update, you'll see the vocabulary is listed for lessons 1, 2, and 3. Not all of these are due on Monday. You only have to do lesson 1. It would help if you watch the video posted with vocabulary terms in order for you to see how to place them into your spiral notebook. If you want to do lesson 2 and 3, you're welcome, but it is not due. Now let's look at number 3, your energy stations. For your energy stations, you have 2 different attachments. One is the actual lab stations, and the other is your answer sheet. You must make sure that you follow the instructions. You have to do 3 red boxes and only 2 of the green boxes. If you choose to do them all, that's fine, but you will not get any extra credit. All answers go on your Google Forms sheet. The Google Forms sheet has the mandatory ones outlined in red. The optional ones are outlined in green. Again, if you do all 3 green ones, you will not receive any extra credit. Now let's look at your workbook pages. I will be checking your workbook pages on Monday or Wednesday of next week. You may use the online resources to help with your workbook pages, but your answers must be placed in the actual module. When I take the grades for the assignment, I'm looking for number 8, 10, and number 19. Please make sure they are in complete sentences. Number 19 comes with a rubric that is already in your spiral notebook. Now let's talk about your vocabulary practice. I like to use quizzes, which is a game mode activity. You will most likely be using a web link if you're on the computer. Use a mobile link if you're on a tablet or a cell phone. When you click on the web link, you have a series of survey questions. First, you select that you're at the school. Then, that you are a student. Next, I do need your date of birth here. And then what grade you're in. All of this is just a survey that the website collects. You will not change your name. If you change your name, you will not be given any credit. You do not have to invite your parents here, but you can go ahead and start this quiz. There is a series of 20 to 25 questions on the vocabulary terms that are listed in step 2 of this assignment pack, reviewed in step 3, and then you wrote about in step 4. It's suggested that you go through 1 through 4 before you do your quizzes activity. You can unlock power-ups as you go to increase your number of points. Again, you're competing with the rest of the 7th grade. All right, I have explained how to complete steps 1 through 5 of your assignments for this week. They are not difficult, but they must be done. So please take class time and flex time to complete these activities. If you have any questions, remember, put your questions in the comment box below the assignments or in a private comment section of the Google Classroom. Good luck and have fun. As always, stay healthy and science on.